Ever created the perfect TikTok carousel only to realize your target audience is asleep in a different time zone? Or maybe you've missed prime posting hours because you were caught up in meetings. Hey, social media marketers and agencies, we get it. Managing TikTok content can be overwhelming, especially when you want to share multiple images in a carousel post. You have to be there at the right time, upload images one by one, and repeat this process daily. ContentStudio now lets you schedule TikTok image carousels in advance. You can upload multiple images at once, schedule posts for the perfect time, manage multiple TikTok accounts from one place, and never miss prime posting hours again. Let me show you exactly how to do this. From the ContentStudio dashboard, head over to the Composer by clicking Compose in the top navigation. Select Social Post to begin creating your carousel. Here's where it gets interesting. In the left panel, you'll find all your connected social accounts. Select your TikTok account, and hey, if you're managing multiple TikTok accounts, go ahead and select them all. Time to make your post come alive. Start with a catchy caption and add some flair. At the bottom of your text box, you'll find all your creative tools. Want to save time? Use the draft template to store and reuse your best performing content formats. Pop in some trending hashtags with a single click to boost your reach and track your success by creating UTM links. Style your text with bold and italics to draw attention to key messages. And here's the fun part, sprinkling in some emojis to add that perfect touch of personality. Now for the fun part. Click Add Media and select Upload Image. ContentStudio gives you two options here. 1. Upload fresh images directly from your computer. 2. Choose from your organized media library. But wait. Here is a pro tip for you. If you're handling lots of visual content, the media library is your best friend. It helps you keep all your images organized and ready to use anytime. No more digging through folders trying to find that perfect image. Do you need help crafting the perfect caption? We've got something special for you. See that robot icon? Click on it. From writing assistance to caption generation, image creation to hashtag suggestions, it's like having a creative team right at your fingertips. Let's make your caption stand out using our AI caption generator. Simply describe your idea or choose from our predefined prompts. Maybe you want to showcase your products or share some industry insight. Set your ideal word count using the slider, pick a voice tone matching your brand's personality, and even automatically add trending hashtags and emojis. And here's the best part, you can generate up to 3 different variations to find that perfect fit. Now wait and look at what our AI whipped up. Each caption comes with its character count and word count displayed, so you know exactly what you're working with. Just hit copy or add to editor to use it in your post. Now, let's make sure your carousel post is set up perfectly in TikTok. Under TikTok settings, you'll find everything you need to customize your post. Start by selecting direct publishing via API. This ensures your carousel posts smoothly. Choose image carousel as your post type and add a compelling title that grabs attention. Want to control who sees your content? Use the visibility settings to choose your audience. You can also decide whether to allow comments and enable auto music to give your carousel that extra engagement boost. And here's something new, you can now enable TikTok app notifications to stay in the loop about how your carousel performs. Now for the final touch, scheduling your carousel for the perfect time. Under Posting Schedule, you've got several awesome options to choose from. Want to share your carousel right away? Hit Post Now. Need it to go live at a specific time? Select Schedule. Got a content queue set up? Use Add to Queue. Want to organize by content type? Pick Add to Content Category. Or if you're not quite ready, save it as a draft for later. Let's say we want to schedule this carousel. Once you click Schedule, you'll notice 2 super handy options at the top. 1. Same time for all account, S if you want to publish everywhere simultaneously. 2. Custom time if you need different timing for each account. You can even set your time zone to make sure your content goes live at exactly the right moment for your audience. Just pick your date, set your time using the drop-down selectors, and click Continue. Working with a team. Instead of scheduling right away, you can click Send for approval to have your carousel reviewed first. Once approved, hit that Schedule button, and you're all set. And that's it. Your TikTok carousel is ready to wow your audience at exactly the right time. No more staying up late or rushing between meetings to post. ContentStudio's got you covered. Go ahead and try it yourself, schedule your first TikTok carousel and watch your engagement soar. Catch you in the next video, and hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more social media tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!